Hi there, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a typography design like this in Canva. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so let's jump right in. Go to Canva and then let's go to custom size. We are going to use 920 by 1080 pixels, so you can use this presentation design format. Then go to upload. Over here you can upload your images right here, or upload and then upload your images. I'm going to use banana, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my banana to my design and then just go ahead and then resize it. Okay, I'm okay with this, so go down and then go to apps and then search for Typecraft. So we are using this Typecraft, so open that. So this is what we're going to use. Open this and then type your text right here. The text you want to use, just type it there. I want to use banana, so I'm going to type that. And then for the font, just select any font of your choice. I'm going to use Anton. So this is the font I want to use for my own, so I'll select that. And then when you go down here, what we're going to do is that we can actually start resizing this, how we want our text to display. So you can actually move this around and then just play alongside this. Just click on add to design, then you can actually align this on top whilst you work. So you can just play with this, just resize it any way you want. Then you can click on update just to see how this is going to be placed on your design. So you can play along and then see how this is going to do. So I'm just going to do that, and then we can continue. You can actually resize this as well. So if you resize, it should be getting something like this. You can move that down a bit, so you can keep updating until you get exactly what you want. If it's too much at the top, you can actually move it down just like that. So this should be okay. So this is actually what I'm going to get. So if you are cool with whatever you have, you can actually go back here, and then I'm going to change the color to white. So go ahead and then change the color to white, and I'm going to update that. So it's going to give me something like this. Now go back and then duplicate this. Let's duplicate our page. So let's duplicate our page like this, and then this is what we're going to do. I'm going to select the text, that's the typography text, and then press Ctrl C to copy it, and then I can actually go ahead and then delete it. Now we want to add a shape, so go back to element, and then you can search for shape. I just want to use this rectangular shape, so just select that, or you can press the R key on your keyboard just to add a shape to your screen like this, and then change the color to black. So I'm going to change the background color to black, and then I'm going to paste my text on this. So this is my text over here. I'm going to paste it on top, and then I want to download this. We'll upload this back, so just go to share and go to download, and then make sure you download this as a PNG file. So go ahead and download this as a PNG file. We want only the second page, so just go ahead and then deselect the first page and then click on done, and then you can click on download. So after downloading this, all you need to do is to upload this back to Canva, just as I'm doing, and then you can actually delete this page. We don't actually need this page, so just delete this page, and we want to work with the first page. Now delete the typo, the text on top, and then we want only the banana. Just go ahead and add this text like that. Just add it, and then what we're going to do next is that go to BG removal. You can go to edit, and then you can use the background remover. There's a short form over here, so any of them should work for you. So I'm just going to remove the background, and then I should be getting something like this. So you can actually go ahead and resize it, and then you can reposition this, and then you get your perfect shape. You should be getting something like this. So just play along, and then you should get something amazing like this. Now go back to our edit option and go under effect, and then select on this the blue tone. Just select that, and then let's use the cherry. So click on this, and then for the shadow, let's change the color to white. And then also for the highlights, let's change the color to white as well. So it's going to give you something like this. Okay, so I'm actually going to make sure this is exactly white. So make sure your shadow is completely white. So just make sure you align it, just position it, and then you should be getting something like this. Okay, so just do it this way, and then you should be getting something like this. You can also move it up a bit, so just resize it a bit, and then you should be getting something like this. So basically it's very easy to create something like this. You can actually move it up a bit and then just resize it in, just resize this in. If it's too big, just go ahead and then work on that. So when you play along with this, you just have to just resize it a bit, and then you should be getting something like this. So you're going to give you something like this, and this is what we're going to download as an image. So just going to give you typographical effects, and then you can go ahead and then download this as image. You can just go to download, and then you can download this as a JPEG file. I'm just going to download this as a JPEG file. It's going to be the final work we've done. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. Remember to subscribe for more video like this. Like, come away again. Bye bye.